Former Tucson police officer now facing manslaughter charges and is pleading not guilty. Ryan Remington made his first appearance in Pima Superior Court today. It's a high-profile case that grabbed national headlines. News 4 Tucson's Corus Nylander was in the courtroom. He joins us live with the details. Corus, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, Monica, being a first appearance, Ryan Remington was here in person, joined by his attorney, Mike Story. There were few surprises today, but this marks the beginning of what will likely be a contentious battle in court. Story made it very clear this is no ordinary case.
Next of kin victim is present in court along with her attorney.
For the first time, former Tucson police officer Ryan Remington stood before a judge facing manslaughter charges for fatally shooting shoplifting suspect Richard Lee Richards 9 times in his motorized scooter. He was hit in the back and side November last year. It was all captured on body camera footage, sparking national outrage. Remington's plea, not guilty.
I'm going to enter pleas of not guilty.
The judge allowing Remington to stay free from jail under pretrial services supervision. The defense did not contest that and in order to have no contact with the victim's family. But an issue was raised after the state requested Remington not be allowed access to any firearms. Remington's lawyer, Mike Story, argued that his girlfriend is a police officer and it would create a tough situation.
Judge, I'm asking you for this guy's well-being, who's no threat to anyone, who is under siege, that he be able to retain the firearm.
The judge ordered Remington could not have access to firearms. His girlfriend's gun will be allowed to be locked in a safe. Story called out Mayor Regina Romero and former police chief Chris Magnus, accusing them of casting a shadow over Remington's due process.
The mayor and Magnus lit a fire in this town. I think we've done a great job swinging the pendulum back to a fair level, but that's damage that's hard to undo.
And Remington's next hearing date for this case was set for October 4th. I asked Story what their game plan is, their next steps. He said right out of the gate they're going to request those grand jury transcripts where he tells me he expects they will find a strong basis to challenge how it was presented to that grand jury, which led to the indictment. We're going to continue to update you as this case moves forward. We're live from Pima County Superior Court tonight. Corus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.